Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to study fast when you are feeling lazy. First, break down your study material into small, manageable chunks. This makes the task seem less daunting. Next, set a timer for 25 minutes of focused work, a technique known as the Pomodoro method. During this time, completely eliminate distractions by putting your phone away. After each 25-minute session, reward yourself with a short 5-minute break. This structured approach helps maintain focus and prevents burnout, making studying much more efficient. Creating an optimal study environment is crucial for quick and effective learning. Select a quiet, well-lit space where you won't be interrupted. Before you even start, take a few minutes to organize all your study materials. Make sure you have everything you need, like pens, paper, and textbooks, within arm's reach. Some people find that soft instrumental background music can help improve concentration without being distracting. A tidy and prepared space reduces mental clutter and boosts productivity significantly. To truly study fast and retain information, engage in active learning techniques. Instead of passively reading, try summarizing key concepts in your own words after each section. A powerful method is to teach the material aloud to an imaginary audience, which solidifies your understanding. Create flashcards for important definitions, formulas, or facts, and review them regularly. Actively quiz yourself on the material frequently to test your recall and identify areas needing more attention. These methods ensure deeper engagement and faster mastery. Maintaining your motivation and energy levels is vital for sustained fast studying. Ensure you stay well hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout your study sessions. Incorporate short, energizing physical breaks, like a quick stretch or walk, every hour or so. Visualize yourself successfully achieving your study goals. This positive reinforcement can be a powerful motivator. Finally, prioritize getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night, as sufficient rest is fundamental for optimal cognitive function and learning efficiency.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.